Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samia and I do all things DIY. Today's video, we are continuing the bedroom makeover, turning this space into a sitting area. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am moving forward with the bedroom makeover. So this is going to be the last part of the bedroom makeover. I am turning the other half of the bedroom into a sitting area so my mother can read, she can wake up and do her devotionals and just have a nice cozy area. So we've already built the fireplace. So I want to put some bookshelves on this blank wall across from the fireplace. So I'm going to build some floating shelves. I've already bought the wood, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna do it the easy way because I really don't even feel like building, but we're gonna build today anyway. So let's go ahead and get started on the rest of this makeover. I'm really excited to get this done and out the way and just move forward. So let's go. Starting off building my shelves, I am using 2x2s to create a base that will serve as the supports for the rest of my shelves. I'm going to be using these and screwing them directly into the studs using 3-inch screws after I found the studs in my wall. For the rest of my shelf, I am using a 1x6 on the top of my shelf, and I'm also using 1x3s for the sides of my shelves. Once that's done, I'm going to come in with a very thin piece of board and attach it to the bottom so it looks like a completely built shelf. Now this is a lazy way to build shelves. It's not the professional way, but it still looks good and professional once you're done. Okay guys, I just got an exciting delivery. Here are the chairs. This is one of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop them open. I'm really excited to see them and what they look like. I've never really ordered such a pop of color, so let's go ahead and open them up. It says do not use blades, but I'm just gonna cut the edge. There we go. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. In here is the sitting area. I love this. The fireplace, the chairs, the orange, the shelves, everything looks so good together. Let me know what you all think about this makeover. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.